I'll be completely honest, and I did not expect much from this product, but I was very surprised because I am a busy mama, a busy wife, and I wanted to try to get my core stronger, but I did not want to spend hours at the gym because I don't have the time, and I didn't want to spend hours doing those boring crunches in front of my favorite TV show at night. But this little machine right here is my new workout buddy. It's the VEVOR AB Workout Machine. They did send it over and compensate me for this review, but I am literally blown away. It's really like having a personal trainer, but without the judgment when I go take a snack break because, I'm going to do it. But anyway, this bad boy has an ergonomic curved sliding track, which basically means it makes your abs work harder while keeping the pressure off of my back and my neck, which is a big plus for me. And it has separate sliders. So it's not just for your abs, but it works your arms, your shoulders, and even your glutes are getting in on the action because trust me, I have felt all of it. So it's like a full body workout. It's very stable. It can actually hold up to 440 pounds. It has a rock solid steel frame. Plus the pads are like really thick and the foam handles mean, I don't slip and slide everywhere. Whether you're a total beginner like I am or you're like an ab sculpting pro, you've got 16 different difficulty levels to keep things interesting. You can adjust the incline, the height, and boom, your workout your way. So it's really easy to fold up. You just pop those pins out and it folds right up to prop up against the wall, or you can slide it underneath your couch or your bed. And you don't have to worry about taking up like the whole space in the house. It's also really super quiet. So if you really want to actually see results without spending hours at the gym, this ab cruncher is definitely something to consider. It's quick, effective, and so easy to use. I definitely think that you'll love it just like I do.